The Department of Health is planning to put up posters on proper health services in public hospitals. Joanna will tell us why.
To address problems encountered by the patients in public hospitals, the Department of Health is planning to put posters reminding all hospital staff on how to provide proper healthcare services. Recently, Health Secretary Pauline Jean Ubial stated that she is also planning to deploy actors who will pretend as patients to check if proper accommodation is given to them. Some of the common problems encountered in government hospitals are long queues and patients that are not able to pay their bills. Patients also complain of not being given fair treatment by doctors and staff in some DOH referral hospitals.
Minsan magtatanong ka lang, hindi ka nila papansinin. Siyempre, di ba, lalo kung nangangailangan ka talaga ng tulong nila. Parang naiinis ka, di ba? Sungit mo naman.
Sana yung mga may sakit, yung hindi na alam namin na pagod din. Doktor lang sila, hindi sila robot, pero mga nurse, pero sana naman maayos yung pakikitungo.
According to DOH spokesperson Assistant Secretary Dr. Eric Tayag, the department cannot oblige all of their doctors and nurses to be amiable when they are on duty. But he assured that proper medical assistance should be given to all patients.
Ang importante po rito ay hindi po mahihirapan ng pasyente komportable na makuha niya yung serbisyo. Ibig sabihin, katulad ng sinabi ng aming Pangulo, kahit walang ngiti, halimbawa, hindi ka naman pumila ng mahabang oras, siguro mapapatawad mo na kami.
Those who want to report any hospital for their bad service can call DOH hotline numbers at 711-1001 or 711-1002 and coordinate with Health Facilities and Regulatory Bureau. While those who have complaints against doctors and nurses can call the Office of Philippine Regulatory Commission with contact numbers at 311-0026 and 310-1047. Joan Nano, UNCV News and Rescue, Manila.